up, and welcome back to another episode of Reinventing the Meal. Today we're making Thai tacos. Not sure if you've noticed yet, but I'm a for fusion food. All right, so the ingredients for these Thai tacos, you are going to need some ground beef, you're gonna need some soy sauce, you are going to need some sugar, mayo, sriracha, cilantro, green onions, pickled red onions. We've gone over how to make very simple pickled red onions. If you want to revert back to previous videos, you can. It's literally just vinegar and then onions, just a container with white vinegar and onions. There you go, very simple pickled red onions. Moving on, you will need some cashews and some corn tortillas. So we're gonna get some of our prep out of the way. You're gonna make your sriracha mayo. I'm not showing you how to make this. You should know how to make sriracha mayo. You literally just mix the two things together with whatever ratio you like. If you want it more spicy, you add more sriracha. Like you can do it, I promise. You're gonna go ahead and cut up your veggies and your toppings. So you're gonna cut up your cilantro, you're gonna cut up your green onion, and go ahead and cut up all of your cashews so they're not whole. Ooh. Yeah, big boy. You just love attention so much. Little ragdoll. He's like, I don't give a f. Anyway, as I said, for your pickled red onions, it's literally a container. Fill it with some chopped red onions and some white vinegar, and you're good. Just let them sit for like 30 minutes to overnight and keep them in your fridge. They're really awesome to have. Now for your beef, you're gonna go ahead and put your pan at high heat because you wanna get a nice like golden crust on your ground beef. So you're gonna put that in the pan, you're gonna cook it, and you're gonna notice there is a lot of grease at the bottom, and that is fine because with ground beef, there's typically a lot of fat. You're gonna drain some of that out because you don't want your beef to be too greasy or runny when you put it on your tacos. And then once your beef is fully cooked and you have drained the excess grease, you are gonna go ahead and put it on simmer with some soy sauce and some sugar and some red pepper flakes. I personally don't add any salt here because the soy sauce is already so salty, so I don't wanna, double whammy because I've done that on accident where I salted something and added soy sauce and it was not a good time. And you're just gonna let that simmer until the sauce thickens up and the soy sauce cooks out and cooks into the beef a little more. And then you just set it aside and you can go ahead and toast your tortillas. I don't really feel like I need to teach you how to toast your corn tortillas. I feel like you should know how to do that. Anyway, once you have your toasted tortillas, you are ready for assembly. You're gonna get your toasted tortillas on a plate. You're gonna add a nice layer of your sriracha mayo. You're gonna add some of your ground beef. Anyway, you're gonna add some of your green onions, some of your cilantro. You're gonna add in some of your pickled red onions, sprinkle on some of your chopped cashews, and that's pretty much it. You got your Thai tacos ready and you're all set. You're ready to eat. Dude. These are one of my favorite things to make. You got the sweet, salty, spicy from your ground beef. You got the creamy, spicy from your sriracha. You got the acidity from the pickled red onions. Like, this is so good. Dude, I seriously love Thai tacos so much. These are so good. You got the awesome nutty crunch for your cashews. You got the fresh cilantro, the fresh green onion. These are so good. That is it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. And as always, I will see you in the next one.